Hello you guys, I'm at this beautiful hot spring. I have the entire place to myself. I'm guessing that's because of the weather. It's windy and it's sprinkling and it's kind of foggy. So the views are not like ideal, but it's a pretty epic spot. And in today's video, I'm gonna do hot springs and frozen margaritas. So I'm gonna make myself a frozen margarita. Yes, you can do that while camping, and I'm going to show you how. And then I'm just going to relax in the hot spring and enjoy my time here. You guys, it is raining and I'm soaking in a hot spring. I have this entire area to myself. It is so nice and peaceful. Pretty awesome. I didn't know if I'd have this place to myself, and I feel very fortunate. But here I am, just getting all warm and cozy, and I don't think I've ever experienced a hot spring in the rain, so this is pretty cool. I'm just having a beer and just enjoying myself. It's perfect. And then afterwards I can cozy on up in the car until it's done raining, and just enjoy my evening after that. I've been traveling around this area of Nevada for the last 2 days. It's so nice and so lovely. I've been here before, but it was packed before, and this is such a nice reward. It's been raining. It rained yesterday and it's been raining today, so yeah. And I'm in the smaller car, so I won't be driving around at all today. And luckily it's hard packed to the gravel road, which is also hard packed, so I won't be leaving here until tomorrow anyways, but definitely no exploring or anything like that. I don't want to get stuck, and I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna chill and enjoy my time out in nature. I've got this lovely meadow behind me. It really is such a treat, and I am incredibly thankful for nature and the fact that we have these awesome places in Nevada. So cool. Alright, I'm gonna relax. Got a blender, some margarita mix, and a cooler of ice. Got some ice. Well, it would help if I charged the thing, so I'm gonna wait for it to charge and we'll try again. For now, I guess I'll just go have a beer and soak in the hot spring. Somebody did pull up, but they drove away once they saw me, so I have a feeling I'm gonna have this one to myself. Pretty awesome. Feel pretty special to have this place to myself. The rain stopped, and I'm just getting some fresh air and I'm gonna soak again. The hot springs really help my joints and my skin. Alright, I'm gonna go attempt to cook tacos in the rain, and I think my blender is charged up enough now to make that strawberry margarita that I really wanted to enjoy in the hot spring, but I'm here until tomorrow, so let's go make some barbacoa tacos. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah. Works better if it's fully charged. Ah. Let's see. It's good. It's gonna go great with tacos. It would have been a little bit more frozen if I would have charged the dang blender, but that's pretty cool. I charged the blender off of one of these little anchors. And I got quite a few charges left on that too. It's still full, so. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have some margaritas and some tacos. And chips and salsa. I'm kind of hungry. I haven't eaten yet today, and it's about noon. So I think it's time to eat. Let's get started. Barbacoa tacos and strawberry margarita. Boy, what a change from just a few minutes ago. It was cold earlier and now it's hot as hell. It's yeah, it's monsoon season for sure. I'm gonna eat these tacos and get back to you. Something about having this place to myself that has completely rejuvenated my entire spirit. I was stuck at home for almost a month, I feel like. Over 2 weeks. It wasn't quite a month, but it felt like forever. And all I wanted to do was get out here and enjoy myself in nature. The sounds of the birds and the sound of the running water. Having this wide open space in front of me with no buildings in the way is just incredible. Even with the monsoon that's happening around me, it's pretty magical, and I'm just thankful to be here. Well, it's been a while since I've picked up the camera. I've been wanting to just relax. I got quite a bit of sun today. I need to buy some sunscreen because the Neutrogena sunscreen was recalled, so I have to go buy more. But I just got done relaxing in the hot spring and making barbacoa tacos again. I had quite a bit left. I actually still have more left. But this view with dinner is perfect. And I've got a time lapse going that I will insert right here. And I will see you guys in the morning. my legs are super sunburned, making it really painful to soak in this water. The water at this one is 112. Somebody checked with their thermometer, so I'm having a hard time getting in. I did get in, obviously my hair's wet, but it's painful to move around, so I think this will be my final soak of the trip. I'm gonna probably get up and watch the sunrise, maybe make some breakfast and some coffee, and then hit the road. Well, that is it for this adventure. I had such a great time at the hot springs. I wish I could have soaked longer today, but I got sunburnt yesterday. So I packed up early and I'm heading out to a ghost town, a couple ghost towns. So I will see you guys in the next adventure. Bye.